Jackie Robinson Park sits in the uptown of Manhattan in the city of Harlem. From the topography analysis, you can see the huge elevation difference about 20 feet that happens at the site. As you can see on our drawing, the blinking red circled parts have a big difference in elevation, which means these are landslides and erosion danger zones. For our site specifically, you can see how this is the part where all the contour lines meet, and so you can definitely imagine a cliff forming naturally there. Land use-wise, this means that the construction of the park has a huge influence on protecting the landscape from landslides and erosion. But right now, if you go to the park from the west side, you have to walk down exactly 50 stairs to get to the other side of the street. Zoomed into its neighborhood, you can see from the color-coded drawing that the park is surrounded by dense residential buildings, which is the blue parts, with a few businesses, the red parts on the side. From this point of view, the park has a significant effect on its community for both providing an open public space in the Green Park area and providing community service from the bathhouse. Here's a collage of videos we took around Jackie Robinson Park's neighborhood in Harlem to show how dense the residential buildings are in this part of town.
The drawings in this segment refer to the inefficient use of land space in the bathhouse and attempt at rectifying that. The interior circulation, such as corridors connecting the rotunda and the men's locker room, and the rotunda connecting the women's locker room, are missing. Instead, that land space has been utilized for these rooms, which results in an abrupt program. The first drawing shows the site plan with grayed out areas of usage, which results in these disconnected blocks. It portrays that the bathhouse is divided into three main segments, as mentioned: the rotunda, the men's and the women's locker room, which are larger than they need to be, which indicates inefficient usage of land. Moreover, there used to be a diving pit where there is a children's playground now, which I think, in my opinion, is more efficient since they're two different programmatic usage of space. The second drawing here alternates between the real and the imagined, or the present and the missing, by referring to a new programmatic system of land usage which allows for connecting the bathhouse with the street and its neighboring residential network. Since we know that 90% of the buildings around the bathhouse are residential and the user group of the bathhouse is also local residents, it is proposed to connect the programs of the residential land and the communal bathhouse land.